So before I start this video, I wanted to finally thank you guys for helping me reach 200 subscribers. It truly means the world to me, just because I know that even though 200 is not a lot, that a lot of you guys are supporting me. A lot of you guys believe in, the path that I'm trying to go for. And all that, I can never thank you guys enough. I'm so excited to hopefully be making more content out for you guys, talking about shoes and streetwear and clothes. One day, I'll just be able to develop a huge community in which, I'll have like a good amount of subscribers, hopefully in the thousands, and I can just share my passion with you guys. So again, thank you so much for everything that you guys have done for helping me. So without further ado, let's just get into today's video. Yo guys! What is good? It's your boy Jalmong here, back again with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, today we are unboxing and reviewing the Maniere Jordan 12s in the black colorway. So first off, let me just get this box open and take out the shoe. This is my first time seeing the shoe as well, so you guys will see my actual impression of the shoe, whether I think if it's a flop or if it's consistent to all the other collaborations with Maniere, because I know it truly will be, and I hope I'm gonna be impressed by the quality of this sneaker. So let's pop open the box. I'm honestly really excited to see what this shoe looks like in hand, just because I know, if there's anything that you guys know about me when it comes to my YouTube channel, aside from me hitting on Panda Dunks all the time, is that I truly love the Maniere collabs and the little details they have in all of their sneakers. Alright, so let's take out this brown box and get it out of the way. Woo! Man, guys, this box, okay, this is my first time seeing an Maniere box in person, but as you guys can already tell, there is this plastic sleeve that basically wraps around the box and covered in the Maniere logo, which I love that so much. It's the little details, it's the little details that really top it off in the end of the day. So let's slide the sleeve off. You guys see that? You guys see how buttery that is? Sheesh, man. As you guys can see by the box here, we do have your standard Jumpman. I don't know too much about Jordan 12s, but I have a feeling this is the typical box that Jordan 12s usually come with. And moving on to the side of the box, you do have the Jumpman once again, along with the Maniere branding. Moving over to the other side of the box, what does this actually say? Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. So yeah, I think that this is typically what is included on Jordan 12 boxes. And then we do have a size 9.5 women's, which translate to a size 8 in men's. So I wasn't able to get the shoe in my size for some reason, so I just selected another size, another random size. And I just thought, hey, I could just do a review on them, and I could resell them. Luckily, about a week later, I got the notification that I hit on them. I got a W. And I was really excited. But along with that, when Maniere actually had their live drop with the shoe once again, I was able to go for literally another pair. It was already 3 minutes into the time of the drop and shoes were still sitting. So again, I went for another pair and I was able to get another one. That one's still coming in the mail, but I'm glad that I have this one so I can show you guys what the shoe finally looks like. So enough of me talking. We're gonna pop open the box in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Again, with some minor details of the box, we have the Maniere logo right in the center of the lid part of the box, and then on the wrapping paper there's that Maniere logo all throughout, and I think that is so awesome. So let's go! Oh shoot! Oh man, these guys look crisp and clean. Oh wow. So like I mentioned before, the Maniere Jordan 12 does come exclusively in women's sizing. So for you guys out there that want a pair, you will have to go a size and a half up. So like I said, I got a 9.5 women's, and that translates to a size 8 in men's. This is not my size, so I will not be able to show you guys what they look on feet because these are way too small. So I will show you guys a better look of the shoe. up close. And yes, they look so good, guys. They look even better in person. And honestly, I'm gonna talk a little bit more about, the resale prices and the popularity of the shoe and how it's so surprising now that I'm finally seeing this shoe with my own eyes. So when A Ma Maniere first released the pictures of the Jordan 12, they released this aside with the white pair, and that pair has not dropped yet. I think that drops a little bit, further down the month, maybe like in a week or two. So the black one is the first pair to drop of the two. Honestly, it is the less popular version because I think a lot of people are going to go for the white pair, but I still think that this black pair deserves a lot of glory for what is shown right here. So first off, I hope you guys can see it because I think the light is pretty bright right now, but we do have this A Ma Maniere and Jordan tag attached to the shoe. Obviously, I think most people are probably going to take it off, but I do think it is a nice accessory to include with the sneaker. So starting with the shoe itself, the shoe is made primarily with suede on its upper. Now it's made with two different types of suede. On the black part, it is a very smooth suede, almost like it could be a nubuck, but it's not. So it's so buttery. As you guys can see, I'm literally running my finger across it and you can see it move. And then along with the burgundy part that is right here running throughout the shoe, this is more of a dried out suede, so it's not as smooth, but it is really nice as well. Moving over to the laces, the shoe only has black laces, and I don't really think you would be able to change them out for any other color. And then moving on to the eyelids, I think it's called the eyelids. If you guys know what these are called, put them in the comment down below because I'm not really sure what this part of the shoe is called. But we do have, metal eyelids right here. First you have your Jumpman on top, and then you have the A Ma Maniere logo on the bottom. Again, those little details with the A Ma Maniere collabs are so amazing. It's just really nice to see how A Ma Maniere put so much care into this collaboration. And then moving on to the outer midsole of the shoe, we do have the word Jumpman embossed into the shoe, which is really nice. Again, I cannot tell you guys how great this collaboration does with detailing. Going to the soles of the sneaker, you do have this white traction pattern with the Jumpman. And then moving over to the back of the shoe, we do have the Jumpman on the heel tab. We have the A Ma Maniere branding. Below it, it says quality products inspired by culture. And then on the bottom of that, all the way in the heel, we do have the 23 logo. I forgot to mention, in going back to the tongue, we actually have a little metallic Jordan attached to the tongue area, and that's really cool. On the other pair, we actually have a metallic A Ma Maniere logo, and that's also really nice as well. And then finally, when it comes to A Ma Maniere collabs, my favorite feature that comes with any of their shoes are the quilted inner lining. As you guys can see here, it's just so soft. Maybe I can show you guys in the other shoe because it's hard to see with that one. But yup, that quilted inner lining that you guys can see, it makes the shoe extra soft. It makes it feel really nice and luxurious when you step into the shoe. I honestly wish I could have tried this shoe on, but at the same time, I think it's for the best because I'd probably want to keep it. And yeah, I don't know why a lot of people are sleeping on these. I'm not really a fan of any other Jordans except for, your Jordan 1s, 3s, and 4s. But looking at this Jordan 12, A Ma Maniere did an amazing job with their collaboration. It's not like any other 12 that I've seen before. So along with the two drops that A Ma Maniere already had on their websites, first the raffle and then their live drops, sneakers will actually be having another drop on March 2nd. For me, it's tomorrow. For you guys, it's yesterday in the time that I'm posting this video. But I hope you guys were able to have the opportunity to cop a pair if you wanted, because I feel like this shoe is really easy to get. Again, I was on their live drop and they were sitting in their smaller sizes. So that's a really crazy thing for A Ma Maniere shoes, just to be sitting. I think that if you really wanted to get a pair, you were able to get one without ease. So I knew I would love the A Ma Maniere collab, but I didn't think that I would love the Jordan 12s. After seeing this shoe in my hand, I do think this is probably the nicest Jordan 12 that I've ever seen. I feel like you can rock this with a lot of outfits. I already imagine if you're wearing like an all black outfit, maybe with some little hint of burgundy or maroon, that would be a really nice compliment to the shoe. So the Maniere Jordan 12s do retail for a price of $225, but in looking at the aftermarket, they're not doing too great with resale prices right now. If you're trying to buy a whole bunch of pairs and then resell them for profit, you're not gonna really make anything. Honestly, after fees on StockX, you probably will lose money. But if you are a die-hard Maniere fan and you do want to cop a pair of these Jordan 12s, I think this is a great opportunity for you if you missed out on the drops. They're only going for about $20 over, so maybe like $245 to $250 range. So I definitely recommend copping them now. But again, I do think that a lot of people are going to be sleeping on this pair, and in a couple of months you're gonna realize how nice this shoe actually is. So I'm predicting that prices will probably jump back up around the 300 range. Not a ton of profit, but you will not lose any money within a couple of months. I wish I could be able to tell you guys if this shoe does fit true to size, but again, I can't try them on. They're not in my size, so I don't know. Maybe take into consideration that they are in a woman's sizing, so they might fit a little slimmer, a little more snug. So here we have it, the Maniere Jordan 12s in the black colorway. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Thank you so much for checking out my review on the Maniere Jordan 12s in the black colorway. Now I would like to hear from you guys. Now that I've talked about the black colorway, do you guys like the black colorway better than the white pair? Or is the white pair still a lot more clean than the black one? Leave a comment down below because I'd love to hear from you guys. And with that being said, if you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button, guys. I know we are finally at 200 subscribers, but I would love to get to 300, and then 400, 500, and then to 1,000. So I would love if you guys are new here to please help me by subscribing and being a part of my community. With all that being said, these are the Air Jordan Maniere Jordan 12s in the black colorway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.